What is going on, my friends? Vitai Dubin is here, and welcome to another episode of today's in Crypto Show. As you can see, the situation, the crypto markets are going from bad to worse. The entire crypto market is collapsing below $1 trillion. And in this video, I'm going to share with you my views where the situation in the market is right now, what is the perspective you need to take, how low can we go, and I'm going to share with you 3 ways how you can make profits and make money during this crypto winter. So stick to the very end of this video. So let's get started, guys. You can see Bitcoin is around $24,000 right now, and I told you guys when I made a lot of videos starting from April, telling you guys that Bitcoin is about to do a nosedive. And after we broke this channel that we've been for a year, we entered into this golden zone, which you can see right here, and we are fast approaching our 200 weeks moving average line. We're sitting at $22,000, and you can see that the chances that we're going to get to this line and touch it are pretty high. But this is the exact support that Bitcoin has at all of its cycles. In the lowest lows of 2018, we touched this line right here and then continued to climb higher. In coronavirus crash, we even went below this 200-week moving average line very briefly for a couple of days and then came back and bounce from here. So are we going to bounce as a support here or break the line? We can discuss that. I believe it's a very strong level of support, and if we're going to week through it, we can do it, but fairly quickly. The situation right now in the market is pretty not good. Ethereum 10 weeks in a row in a red. 10 weeks. It has never happened before like this, and we are even below the previous all-time high of 2018. In January 2018, the previous bull cycle, we broke through this line right here, okay, which of course the week is not finished yet, but it's going to be interesting to see. We are right now in Ethereum touching the 200-week moving average, and investors are fleeing from altcoins into a more safe haven, their Bitcoin, because everything is dumping even more than Bitcoin. But look, even Bitcoin today is down 12%, and you can see double-digit losses across all the different cryptocurrencies in the top 100. And if you look in the past 30 days, you'll see it was not a good month, right? So right now, where we are heading from here is really one thing I want to show you: to be level-headed, to be sober about the current crypto markets. And I want to show you this. This is the chart on the weekly basis for Ethereum, and I'm going to show you the same on a weekly basis for Bitcoin, for the RSI. And you can see right here, we are entering a territory on an RSI which is below 30 on a weekly base, right? So this is quite few times in the entire history of Bitcoin that RSI has been below 30 in its entire history. You can see right here it dipped on January 2015. We can see right here in December 2018 we kind of peaked a little bit, and right now we are below this, only for the 3rd time in the history of Bitcoin on a weekly basis. What does it tell you? The bottom is way closer than a lot of this bear gloom and doom crypto people are out there shouting, yeah, Bitcoin is going to go to $10,000. Bullshit. I don't think Bitcoin is going to go to $10,000 or even $13,000. Look, we are looking at this is the fact in the chart. We are right now at the lowest point in its history on an RSI. Okay, so that's one thing. Also Ethereum on a weekly basis have never been that low. Just look at this, 27 right now, 27 on a weekly basis. So do you really want to sell your crypto right now when the market is dumping like this and thinking, well, the market will dump even more after it's already been 10 weeks in a row dumping like this? Well, what is the chances of that? Life is about decisions, and decisions are all about probability. What is the probability that we are going to see this scenario play out? We're going to just continue dumping and dumping. It's quite low. What is the probability that we are going to stop this bleeding and then a massive rally from here follows? Much higher probability, right? But let's also talk about some not so good news before we talk about some ways how you can guys actually make money in this bleeding markets. So Celsius, huge project that took people's Bitcoins, Ethereum, other cryptocurrency for lending and borrowing, a huge protocol, paused all customer withdrawals and swaps on Sunday night. Celsius tanking 70% in 1 hour, falling from 50 cents to where it is right now. Celsius, probably around 15 cents. So this is quite a big deal. The token sell, okay, right now is 18 cents. A big dump from, you can see it was trading about 40 cents. If you look at a monthly, it was around 80 cents. So Celsius holding all withdrawing, citing liquidity issues. When people in crypto cannot access their withdrawals, it means this is obviously a centralized, not a decentralized company, but they cannot access their money. And who knows if they are going to be able to access the money. Of course, it's the time will tell, but you see what happened to Terra Luna. Terra Luna went crazy down, back to zero. Terra Luna, like Celsius, what they say, access your coins whenever, keep them safe forever. What happens now? Celsius network pausing all withdrawals, swap and transfer between accounts. Acting in the interest of our community is our top priority. Our operation continue. We'll continue to share information with the community more here. So guys, that's about hundreds of millions of dollars. It's not a small project. It's hundreds of millions of dollars with a market cap. You can see right now is 45 million, but there is a lot of money that people have in this platform, Celsius. So we'll see. BlockFi, which is their competitor, saying that everything is continuing to operate normally. Nexo also continue to operate normally, but Celsius right now is down the drain. Dogecoin is over 90% since May 2021. Ethereum is falling. Ethereum core developers saying that if everything goes to plan, the merge of proof of stake of Ethereum 2.0 is going to happen in August. It was the difficulty bomb when they actually move from mining away. And this difficulty bomb means that the miners of Ethereum will stop mining because it will be too difficult, moving to proof of stake, staking the majority of Ethereum in a blockchain and burning more Ethereum. So I believe this is going to, if you're patient enough, this is going to play out very well for Ethereum, reducing finally their operational cost as they plan, hopefully, and Ethereum skyrocket again. But right now we are entering the period of pain. It's very painful in the market right now for everyone in crypto. Portfolios are down 50, 60, 70, 80%. So what to do, how you can earn money during this time of crypto volatility. Okay, before we get to that in just a second, let me show you this. 85% of merchants expect ubiquitous digital currency payments in 5 years. 5 years, it will be ubiquitous. It'll be everywhere. And it's not just somebody saying it, is the Deloitte service. So is the big four accounting firm Deloitte indicates nearly 85% of executives from various US retail organizations expect digital currency payments to become ubiquitous in their respective industries in the next 5 years. We're still early, guys. We're still early. The market of crypto is below $1 trillion right now. The pain is pretty high. So the first project, Metaforce, is scheduled to be launched, if everything goes according to the plan, on June 16th, launching on Polygon. I just made an update yesterday with the full review about it and how it's going to work, how you can use USDT and get paid in the stablecoin USDT on the Polygon blockchain, and how this decentralized matrix system called the Force Classic, and then the Boost, and then Force, that are paying 100% of the income to the members, while having the product fund in the smart contract, developing real products in demand, its own metaverse, NFTs, and play-to-earn games, and its own coin Force that is set to explode in value later in 2022. I'm seeing this as a long-term project in full development for years to come, and this already starts on June 16th, and this is earning you in stable coins, which you can take the stable coins and stack more Ethereum and stack more Bitcoin while we are in a capitulation phase. That's how a lot of money has been made right here. You see this run from Ethereum $100 to Ethereum $4,000. Fortunes has been made during this period of time. Well, right now, what is the best time to buy crypto and accumulate crypto? When the market is down, when the market is in pain. This is the best time to buy. So you can earn those USDTs, and you can take those USDTs and you can buy Bitcoin, you can buy Ethereum, you can buy other projects, other coins. And remember, the smaller the market cap, the higher the risk. However, also the higher the potential opportunity. When you have a project that is only 1 million, 2 million, 5 million, 10 million market cap, and it grows to 100 million, 200 million market cap, to a billion market cap, that's where a lot of money is being made. Okay, so that's number one. Second, I want to share with you, and you're going to hear a lot more from me about this one, is the Ultron Foundation, the future of DeFi. This is layer one blockchain that has everything, that comes up with everything, the only one with its native dApps. Let me show you this. The Ultron Foundation having NFTs and Launchpad and its own metaverse that is built by Devla, which developed also OpenSea. Do you know OpenSea? A multi-billion-dollar NFT platform that developed Sandbox. They're the same company that is partnering up and building a metaverse on the Ultron Foundation. Okay, Launchpads, gaming, DEX, borrowing, lending, farming, staking, everything. 18 months of development, highly scalable, extremely low transaction fees, and is the only one layer one with its own native application. All the other blockchains, Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Cardano, Solana, Avalanche, Phantom, Harmony, they have zero native apps, while Ultron have more than 20 native dApps built in. Okay, so that's a very awesome thing. And you can see the initial price it's launching at is 1 cent. You can get right now Ultron at 1 cent. Can you afford to miss it again? And you can see the growth of Ethereum from its initial price 10,000x, BNB 2500x, Cardano 50x, Harmony 73x, Avalanche 160x, Solana 500x, Phantom 200x, starting at 1 cent. Very similar. If Ultron goes to $2, 200x. It is life-changing wealth, and it hasn't launched yet. The mainnet went live on the 1st of June, and you can get 0.2% per day passive rewards in ULX tokens for the next 5 years, while halving every year. Now, here is the cool part. This 0.2% a day, that's based on a price of 1 cent. But if you lock in at the price of 1 cent and it goes to 10 cents, that means that you get to, you get 2% a day. Essentially, you get 2% a day on your funds, because the price will go up as it will be listed on the DEX by the end of the month of June. It's a huge upside potential. And I want to drop here also some really cool piece of news that just 2 days ago became known, that the people who get the staking hubs of the Ultron Foundation, they are also going to get a free piece of land in the metaverse that is built for the soccer players. And Chelsea and Barcelona, they're already in talks with them to integrate in this metaverse ecosystem. And they're going to be building this metaverse on top of Ultron blockchain, which is absolutely crazy news. And this will happen on June 15th. So get ready. And for more information, just reach out, because this is just the very beginning and I will plug you in. So this one, also Orb, the orbital swap token, the Orb token has been printing and generating yields and generating profits. And let me show you a couple of key facts. The orbital swap has a total supply right now of 132,000 orb, with only 27,000 orb released every day. Holders 308 addresses. So this is very beginning and ultra low. And if you look at the docs, you can see, guys, that the orbital swap has a limited supply of 14 million tokens with a deflationary mechanics. Okay. And it's right now, because the liquidity is so low, it's paying around 18%, something like that, 18% a day. Take a look here on the single staking calculator. Okay, you can see it is paying about 15% a day. Okay, while being flexible and totally liquid. Okay, so this is another gem in this space that is printing money right now and paying, helping in this bearish market for people. Okay, and few people still know about it. So this is just launched 6 days ago. It's very new launch of the DEX, which has the farms and pools. And even on the stable coin USDT BUSD, you can get an APR right now of 71%, which is pretty cool. So it's printing funds. This is a stable coin pair, USDT BUSD. Okay, and the liquidity is low. So this is another option, what you can do in this bear market to make more gains. Okay, also, guys, PLCU has been holding strong at $30,000 despite the market crash. The PLC Ultima is earning its members roughly around 50% a month, staking rewards, minting the coins, and it's been holding pretty strong in this bearish market. So this is another option that I'm using to print and generate more income during this bear market. So you have a lot of options, a lot of opportunities, a lot of ways how we can not just survive this crash, but thrive in this crash. And actually, the biggest opportunities are found right now, when the market is so low, when the market is down. This is the time to buy, this is the time to accumulate and make your gains in the next bull market cycle. Okay, so that's what I want to share with you guys today. Stay strong. This is not the end of the world. The market will come back. They always comes back. Okay, and we are somewhere close to the bottom, way close to the bottom, to the top. So while nobody knows what will be the exact on the dollar that Bitcoin is going to fall, where Ethereum is going to fall, can Ethereum fall to $1,000? It can. Can Bitcoin fall to $20,000? It absolutely can. But what will be the exact dollar amount value of the lowest point that you're going to see? Nobody knows, and it's going to be quick. And then the market is going to go into accumulation zone, and then finally will rebound after like 6 months of a bearish market accumulation, market condition. We're going to break out once again, and Bitcoin will be above $100,000, and then entire crypto market will be into the trillions of dollars. There is no way around it. Right now is the time to make your mark for the next big move in crypto, where the transfer of wealth will happen, where people will become wealthy in this next bull market cycle, which is right around the corner, 2024, 2025. Okay, and the time to get action is and prepare is actually right now. While still in this bear market, while it's more difficult to earn, there's still a lot of opportunities in the market to earn yield, to earn gains, and to make life-changing wealth, which is happening right now. People are making hundreds of thousands or even $1 million a month in this current market, still doing it. So there is no excuse, and you need to embrace the mentality that now, during this market, this is the time to put massive action, accumulate a lot of these coins while they are cheap. Okay, so with that being said,